Okay, it's working. Okay. Alright, so now I'm gonna fix this Docker bag. Okay, and it's just adding some log folder and just empty files. Fix. Okay, there you go. This is fix. What is it? Fix number 39. Okay, here you go. And push. Okay. Let's see. Polygon. Yeah, I mean, look at this. Look at it. 29 GitHub issues. 20 bags shit. Obviously, I haven't really checked, if there's like a bag or anything. Just update the code. So maybe, I assume there's a bunch of bags, and I don't expect, this gonna work, as you expect. Yeah, just this is just try to show you how you can do it flash long. And so this is not production ready code, so yeah. Alright, accept the pull request, and there you go. Pull request. Let's go. Oh, that's because CI doesn't work. That's because GitHub. Oh, let's make it bigger so you can see it. And oh, hello, Alexandre. Plants. Okay. Sounds good. But weird. Like, this job's gonna run whatever the pull request whenever the pull request is sent to main branch, but test isn't working or running. Test isn't working. Oh no, it's running. Okay. Alright, see, it's running. Docker and also build test. Yep. So we'll see. And what other issues? So I'm fixing this Docker bag, and there's too many. At least I want to fix this one. Yeah. Build but no output. Error when I get opportunity. No posting log. Fun for. I feel some of them are kind of expected behavior. Build but no output. Build successfully but no output in error log like below. I mean, yeah, obviously, let's see here. Let's see. So this is Polygon Flash Loan bot. Make it bigger, and you can build with Yarn build, I guess, and we'll see. Yarn build, and Yarn start, right? And no output, has shown here, right? That's because I have moved all this console log thing. It's in right here. This some one guy have added this beautiful console log UI, and check price every single price switch, but I have removed this part because it just because before I was looking in issues which was I base where is it, I found the bag that is something to do with this console log, and just remove it. I just removed it. Just giving no error is kind of better than adding some gray stuff with some bags. So yeah, I just try to make it as simple as possible. But yeah. And also don't who see all this console log thing, why would you see those console log thing? It's nice to have, but yeah, you just run bot, and why would you see price data table in real time? You're not gonna execute flash on your hand, so just not necessarily it's good to have, but then not necessarily. But then that's fine, you can just add it because it's open source. You can add this thing, and alright, let's see. Build but not up. This is probably revert data in calls. No clue. I don't know. Because I don't know what the config file you have, or what the the settings you have, or how OS node versions, or I haven't really tested enough, so probably. And in error log, I found every time this error. Yeah, for this, I don't know, something to do with the get landing pool. I see something. Get landing pool. Get landing pool. That's probably get landing pool. Code. Get landing pool. Yeah, probably index letter or something. Because like when you uh, you try to borrow some other token than left Ether, USDC, left Matic, then this code it's gonna be error of like index error. Yeah. So yeah. So probably this error is yeah, you input some other. So for example, if you try to borrow die, then this is gonna be giving some error, right? Yeah, if you input borrowing token, so you try to borrow die, then you just this is not gonna be uh, successful. um, Nothing posting to logs. There are no being. So yeah, that's as I talked about. I removed it. Yeah, I removed it. This is not bag or this just expected. Getting zero confirmations transaction every time I got opportunity. What? Where is the error message? Yeah, where is the error message? I feel this URL is not doubt this thing because like uh, unless you run your own node, you're not gonna input this URL. This should be your Alchemy URL, RPC URL, or some other Node API service URL. So, are you running Polygon node? Reason inefficient funds for intrinsic transaction cost. This error sounds familiar because guess what, this insufficient fund, usually you don't have enough Matic, a native token, when you try to send the transaction. So probably you set gas limit very high and you don't have much Matic token in your wallet, then this error. Yeah, we'll see. Gas limit. I don't with gas ethers JS playground. Yeah, you can get ethers. Maybe this is not a good way to do it, but okay, this much. So I don't know how much. 15 million way. I forgot the how the math behind this, but yeah, maybe gas price is way too high and for your Matic token. You have to add more Matic token. Anyway, yeah. Okay. Okay. All tests pass. So I'm gonna Okay. Docker. Okay, so Docker error have been solved. Okay. Yeah. All right. What is next? Oh. Um. Hmm. Okay. Do you? Okay, I'm gonna ask you guys. Oh. All right. What's next? Yeah, many discussions as well. Subgraph queries. Oh, interesting. Good thing. See? What do you guys think? If arbitrage is a zero-sum game and enough people run a working profitable bot, won't the arbitrage opportunity quickly dry up? Yeah. So what do you think? How are you? How's it going? What do you think? So like, too many people got into this game, like arbitrage trade, and then things got too competitive, and no one really makes money. What do you think? I personally, I don't know. Like because we already have so many people on the market and doing this kind of like same thing, and still some people make money from arbitrage trade, and it's been it's on the traditional market and also crypto as well, and people makes money that way. Some people makes money that way, and I don't like yeah. I think there's always a way to do something like this. Just just make it getting harder and harder and harder as more people coming in to this game. Yeah, and I don't think this bot itself will not gonna help. Not gonna change anything, because we already have too many people in this game, and yeah, if like basically I don't think this code, or if you okay, so let's say if you're a non-developer, you're trying to do something like this, to do something like arbitrary trade, and like within this you try to change this code, but then it's hard, right? This is just a minimum example, and so you have to learn coding and Solidity, and learn blockchain. It's all other stuff, right, to make it work. So yeah, so I don't think people are this bot itself help them to make money rather than like help them learn blockchain, arbitrage, understand this, this whole thing like DeFi and the backed up technology, you know, it doesn't help them to make money, I think. Yeah, unless try really really hard, and it takes a little bit of time to, yeah, but yeah. So good point, but I don't think uh you know quickly dry up. No, I don't think so. Yeah, good point. Oh, our report is nice because it makes all the pool stable with the correct price. Exactly, exactly. Yeah. Front running or sandwich attack is bad for bad for Ethereum, crypto economy, right? Because there's no, yeah, like Bitcoin got lipped off, so yeah, it's not good. Like, but then our treasury is good. Essentially, it's good for Ethereum community, and good for economy, and yeah, people get uh, better price every single swap, so it's good. And on the weekend, I will try to make loan liquidator. Loan liquidator. I think it's profitable too. Oh yeah. Hmm. Loan liquidator. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah, that's good. Actually, I never look into loan or liquidation, strategy. Excuse me. Like Aave, or you mean like Aave, or what is it? Mm, or something. It's good to make profit from it, but also good in general in the crypto space, in my opinion about it. Yeah, that's right. How you love your contents? Do you have a private Discord, Telegram group? You love to discuss any strategies with you. Um, okay, so what do you guys think? Do you want me to have some Discord group, Telegram Discord group, like other people have? Yeah, have. Yeah, compound. What do you guys think? Do you guys want me to have some Telegram Discord group and discuss some and maybe strategies? Like yeah, it was. I don't know. Like I feel I was thinking about it, that kind of stuff, but yeah. But then there's already many, groups like that, and yeah. So it's not really necessary. I mean, I don't use Discord much, and that's because, yeah, it really, I don't know. It's just I'm not used to it. I'm a bit noob when it comes to Discord. So anyway, too many comments. Discord or element? Yes, have a Discord group and a way to contact you for work. Ah, okay, okay. Alright, I will join if you create, but may not have enough members in the beginning. Oh, it's been a software engineer the past 15 years. I just got into Solidity blockchain there this year. Always nice to discuss people with the similar ideas. Wow, you're so experienced. I only have 3 years of coding experience. Now, let's do this code. Would be love to discuss some strategy with the minded peoples. Yeah. Sounds good. Sounds good. Okay. Okay. Wait, do you? Okay. I'm gonna create Discord group. Oh yeah. Oh, typo. I got to do. I got to go, but when you do make a contact you for hire and work and awesome discussion, post on the GitHub, man. Keep up the great work. All right, thanks. Okay. Right. What's next? What is next? Something wrong. Okay, what other thing? What other thing? Yeah, if we were talking about output, since we have some console log UI, previous version. Yeah, cause interface got changed, so I can't just. Yeah, I'm gonna change the code a lot and to make console log thing. Yeah, console UI. I just yeah. Seriously, I really like to do it. Console log thing. Yeah. Yeah, I think, yeah. Yeah, console log table index. In order to console log, this logger is gonna send log to this file, so you don't see any console log thing. In order to show console log UI, hard console log UI. Damn, console log UI. Yeah. Nope. Hmm. Just something I saw on your stream. Don't use semicolons. We'll solve that for semicolon for TypeScript. Uh, like this semicolon. Uh, TS node. Hi, if possible, can you please help with it? TS node. So debug. Oh yeah, debug. Yeah, someone build add this, this one. So yeah, and since then I have some image, some change, and this shouldn't work because yeah, it got just interface got changed. So yeah, and TypeScript in general. And really semicolon. Honestly, I never try to put semicolon in, cause just whenever I use GitHub Copilot, so this just recommend something like that, like something or like something like soul log, right? See, yeah. GitHub Copilot recommend this semicolon. So I never try to do semicolon thing. I never adding semicolon. Just GitHub Copilot automatically add it, and some like yeah. I mean, I feel like it just doesn't matter. It doesn't matter in general, I think. TSNL debug. Let's see. Oh man. Shit. Louder protocol arguments, turn actions, get turn actions. That's fine. That's the same thing. Block number, decode, decode input. Find pool. Find the pool. Find the pool. Disco, no, Dodo version 2 is probably fine. Long amount, that's probably fine. And loud, yeah, that's called parameter. First loud map. What is it? Probably fine. JSON string vi is probably that's fine. Oh, does it work? Swap louder. This sounds not good. Loud. How do you select trading loud to add the config file? Are you using some DEX aggregator? No, just all trading loud. Yeah, just no preference or no specific loud. Not targeting specific route, DEX. Just all of it. Well, yeah, but then if you have limited computer uses, then you know you should limit the amount allowed. But usually you don't know which DEX and which trading pair have profitable and arbitrage opportunity. So hello, do you find the best price in both way, base target base? Uh, huh? Best price in both ways. Hmm. I don't know. No. I think it's for the most, probably most decks. I'm not really sure, but some decks not won't allow you to interact twice, uh, twice a transaction per transaction, because it's re-entrant, so it prevents re-entrant attack. So you can interact like the Uniswap to SushiSwap and SushiSwap to Uniswap. Usually you can't do this. Not sure about Uniswap version 2, version 3. Yeah, I don't know. Mm, I think Uniswap version 3, at least Uniswap version 3, won't let you do this. Won't let you do. So you have to like, for for example, USDC and DAI, and you want to trade this trading loud, then you first Uniswap version 3 and USDC DAI 0.05. No, this case. Anyways, like you have to change. For Uniswap version 3, change fee. We Uniswap version 3 has like has some pool for the same pair, same token pair. So like Uniswap USDC Lattice trading pair pool, they have 0.05% pool and also 0.3% pool. Yeah, they have two. Yeah. So swap on 0.05% pool, and then swap on 0.3% pool. That's totally fine. But then the same pool that's where the problem. That's the problem. How will I execute the bot? How? Everything you should do is already on the elite me, I think. Yeah, already in elite me. Yeah, probably yeah. Clone this repository and set up the RPC URL and private key, and install, build, start. Probably that's it. But obviously this config, and right now config is like USDC and DAI to USDC, right? And yeah, this is protocol number 2 is like quick swap, I guess, and 0 is Uniswap version 3. So you Uniswap to so you borrow USDC to 20,000 USDC from Dodo and swap on quick swap, and then swap on Uniswap version 3, and that's it. So you if you want to add more allowed, then you add more allowed on here, but pretty much that's it. Yeah, pretty much that's it. And also make sure you have enough Matic token in your wallet. Yeah, that's it. How do you okay thanks. And about execution, do you have several instances of the bot running with the different routes, or a single one with several several instances? Do you the bot running. Instance, you mean like VM virtual machine, or you mean like this this config file? Oh, no, this trading loud. Probably trading loud. You should have multiple trading louds, or maybe it should be you can be one, and but the thing is JavaScript can do concurrency. It doesn't support concurrency, so you run yarn start and one thread, and then the other thread open up the other terminal, and then you run yarn start. You before you do change this config, and then build and run. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's right. So yeah, basically, so the config. So you've build, right? You first build, right? And then after that you yarn start. Then the bot will listen to this price change. Look for opportunity or this route, and then you to the next open up. Once you yarn start, and then the other you open up other terminal, and then you just before that you change some like 0 to the other way around, and then you just yarn build and yarn start, right? And then the other terminal, all and on and on. But don't wanna do edit this config and build and edit config, build, run, yarn, start, and other terminal, and it's just it's just the hard. I don't do like that. So the idea is so why don't you just have trading loud beforehand? Oh yeah, that's good. So like, why don't you have like trading loud for like multiple trading louds? Like let's say 1, 2, something like that, and like yarn build, and like yarn when you yarn start and something like route 1 and 2, and that should be better. Like pass trading out with the argument. Like it's your command line interface argument. That's maybe better. Like better than like edit config and run all over again. Yeah, but that's totally up to you. Oh, do you have? Well, I can follow up. Do you have some measure in place to avoid front running? Yeah. I think yeah. Well, front running, cause like I think yeah. Let's see. So forerunning is wait, no. Probably not. Maybe yeah. This bot is vulnerable to flush forerunning attack. Yeah, never look into. Sorry. I have created a smart contract, but when I type start command, it says error. Server no process. I mean. Oh yeah, that's good. Multiple Docker containers. Multiple Docker container. No. Threat. Would you maybe be better to use some M file for this, then have to change the code base. True, true. Yeah, M files. Yeah, M files better. Yeah, maybe. And just run the bot depending on which environment you have chosen. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, like if you run this bot on Binance Chain, other network like Binance Smart Chain, that works. Can you make a video tutorial how to install and run the bot? Uh, I mean, as I said, it's not necessarily because I already it's already on lead me. And can you basically it is about watching the pool for profitable transactions, and cloning transactions is higher fee. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Hmm. So I understand. Now I understand. Maybe this maybe not. I don't know about this contract, but I see what is it? Ownable, like OpenZipLink has ownable only owner kind of modifier, right? So that's like maybe this one's not. Yeah, this one's not. So anyone can execute this contract. Yeah, right. So like you should have something like only owner, right? Something like that. OpenZipLink has this, something like that. And ownable, right? Ownable. I forgot. Ownable. Ownable or something. Yeah, ownable. If you have ownable and ls ownable, what do you mean? Yeah, basically you have like ownable, then only deployer, only you or can execute this contract. So when whoever execute this function, transaction reverts, and you can do flow running. Yeah, flow running will always fail. But I forgot about this thing. Yeah, I remember my private bot has this one, but yeah, I forgot about this one, open source one. Can you make a even without this kind of, yeah, I mean, probably no one care. One is no one really care, and second is probably impossible to like. Yeah, I just don't know much about how flash phone, I don't know, flow running attack works, but just listen for mempool, and then you can listen to you have your if you ever listen to the mempool, you get the data byte, and from the address, and then to the address, the address you interacting with. So you can I don't know, like listen for example, Uniswap version, Uniswap DEX contract, and then you can copy, and because everyone can execute transaction, interact with it, but so the interface of that contract, right? So you can so the attacker can know the data or what the parameter you use, but for this contract, I think it's impossible unless attack know the interface of this contract, like just a data byte. Oh no, wait, no, you don't have to know parameter. That's right. You don't have to know the older parameters. Just know the data byte, and then you just copy the data byte and just send it. That's right. But if you have like ownable, then transaction always reverts. So that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, so that's fine. Yeah. So this contract is not front running, vulnerable to front running attack. Yeah, but you should add ownable in here, and yeah, ownable in here. But what is this error? Ownable initializations error. This is an instance of diamond problem when inheritance. Oh. Maybe this withdrawal contract has ownable risk. Oh wait. Yeah, right. Ownable. So only owner can use. You can use only owner here. Alright, works. Okay. Yeah, but make sure you only deployer can execute this transaction. So just get you have input this one. You can change owner. You can transfer owner, but only one wallet, only one owner can interact with this function. If you do this, or you can do a whitelist thing. So you whitelist is like you have multiple input some multiple address, and then those wallet can execute call this function, and that's better, I think. Yeah. I mean, what if you lose this private key? I mean, that's not unlikely, but yeah, it's yeah, it was yeah, only worker works. Not only in that case. Some could have its own clone of your contract, and if the fee defects a profitable transaction, create a new one against his own contract instance with a higher fee. That's right. Clone contract. Yeah, that's also possible. So attacker can't have to deploy your contract, and then you listen for. Yeah, it's totally works. Because they know interface. No, wait. Is it really possible? Is that really possible? Then you should set up some what is it? I don't know. Hashing? and only allow certain user can interact with it. How about that? Never thought of it. But yeah, still it's possible to prevent front running attack. Yeah, never thought of it. I was just gonna go look into if there's a attacker on my transactions. Yeah, I mean, there are services to be able to send private transactions to avoid front running. Is this kind of attack? I'm not sure if there is similar service in Polygon. No, no, not in Polygon. Not on Polygon because proof of stake is because of proof of stake. Because on Polygon block producer is randomly selected, and how would you send transaction to this randomly selected validator, right? And yeah, yeah, either you have huge amount of matic so that you're likely to get included, get selected as block producer, but it's if you have a huge amount of matic, then you wouldn't do that. Yeah, in the first place. So I don't think it's a way to send private transaction on Polygon. No. Never thought of it. So copy transaction, contract data, deploy, and copy the data, and then send the transactions. Yeah. Yeah, that's possible. The same byte. Yeah, okay, so that case, I think, so, okay, I'm gonna have some stuff to prevent front running attack. I'll look into it. Yeah, I think there's a way to do it. Yeah, some DEX I'm gonna refer to some DEX protocol contract, and they add some hashing, adding some specific address, and and there's like always a way to do it. Okay. So this doesn't solve the problem itself. Okay. Yeah. So what is the let's say sender. Let's say sender, but then let's say sender. Check parameter. Flash run parameter. I flash run. Flash run parameter. This is a parameter fashion problem. So address hash data some key hash and I set up a modifier to check if yeah, I'm gonna look into it. What the other stuff? What are the other stuff? Let's go look into some discussions. So graph yarn start, nothing happens. Yeah, probably that's because of it. I removed it. Failed to estimate price. Couldn't be. Have you set up URL? JSON URL? Nothing happened in terminal. Just error. Network error. Just basically, I think it's you didn't set the RPC URL. But the other thing about new coding performance. Anybody using new code? Yeah, same thing as the issue. Okay. Right. Okay, good feedback. Yeah, great ideas. Okay, I'm gonna add some documents. So four people. This is what I meant. Okay. So Andres. Okay. So you guys listen to this. What do you think? Do you want bot to output some coding console UI like price data like the previous one, or just logging output is fine, like error and flash on transaction the stuff. What do you think? Like do you want just some console UI output? You need it, or like you don't need it? You don't just error output's fine. What do you guys think? I'm gonna just update readme. This repository, quick start. Here's the announcement. YouTube just recommended me some video about novels. Those videos are 9 months ago. It's proof of work network and EVM compatible. What do you think about deploying our bot there? Never heard of that network. And isn't the Flashlon services there? Only Polygon support a couple of network in there. So the Flashlon fee isn't 0%. No, not this. Dodo Dex right here. Nepos. Naurus network. Blockchain platform for universal applications. Ecosystem. Chainlink. If not enough DEX on that network, it should there's no way you can do arbitrary trade. Infrastructure for dev, community wallet, tooling, business partner, investor, mining pool, security. Oracle. I don't know if they have Flashlon service on this network. Maybe they have. I understand. Like, you should do arbitrary trade on less competitive network. Obviously, Binance Chain is super competitive. Not sure about Polygon. What is it? It's worth keeping an eye on it and then wait to be the first to be artist on there. Exactly. Yep. EGMP. This one is interesting. Maybe you know, but GMV IO. Yeah. Do you guys see this? Do you know this? Um, yeah. Pretty much this. You find all flash loan arbitrage attack. Uh, yeah. See, this is impressive. Yeah. Arbitrage live stream. It's only on Ethereum and Binance Chain, but Type and Living News, yeah, all the stuff in there. And you can even see the contract. Yeah, it's impressive. Profit. Sandwich attack. New server version 3 louder too. Yeah. Liquidation transaction count. I'm gonna go look into liquidations. Arbitrage. Yeah, that's also one of the thing. Liquidations. Wow, like over 3,000 within one transaction. That's impressive. Wow. Yeesh. Liquidation we pay USDC Aave protocol version 1 YAR-Fi Yarn Finance swap for Ether on Sushi swap 34 Ether for okay swap this is Yarn Finance token. Okay, and liquidations. Pay. That's right. Too expensive. And also too competitive. That's right. Yeah. But yeah. Seems like super profitable here. Token transferred. First, Sushi swap. Then we what? We bought. It's a contract. Source code isn't open. They got a huge amount of Ether. Sushi swap and we bought USDC. Receive USDC and Aave interest. Okay. Yeah, Phi interest. You also have the Aave interest. Wow, $90 for transaction fee. That's impressive. Yeah, super impressive. Yeah. Oof. Anyway, yeah, I've got great feedback from you guys. Yeah, okay. Okay, so alright, I'm gonna learn some stuff and add some new running protection code on there and go look into some liquidations attack and yeah, look for other networks as well, keep an eye on that. Yeah. Alright, so see you next time.